Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can customize highlights or speak selection in iPhone. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your iPhone settings and then scroll up and go to accessibilities. There you will find read and speak. Once you click on that, you will get these options over here. So once you click on speak selection, you will comes in this page and go to highlights, and then you will comes in this page and you can customize highlighting of speak selection over here. You can change it to single words as well, or like the sentence as well, and both options over here like words and sentence. And the second option over here you can customize is sentence highlight style, underline, or like you can background color as well. You can customize it to the third option of customization you will get is highlights color. So words colors over here, and also sentences colors over here. You can change it by clicking on this option and then you can choose it as well. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.